How's it going, everyone? Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch, along with New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. So let's get to it. This Nintendo Switch is actually a birthday present. I just turned 18 today, so that's nice. Before I start unboxing this, let's look over the box. I got the version 2 Switch, which I think has a longer battery life. And there's more on the side and on the back. I don't really have much to say, to be honest. All I can say is that this has a better battery life than the original Switch that came out on launch. Now, without further ado, let's start unboxing this bad boy. We gotta open it from here. Okay. Oh shoot. Sorry about that. So let's go over what's in here. We have the Switch tablet thing. Nice. The next thing we have are the Joy-Cons. See if I can take these out. I don't remember these being that small, to be honest. I hope they don't start to drift as soon as I start using this thing. And now we go over the other Joy-Con. There are the Joy-Cons. Now I believe if we take this apart, we get the cords, the instruction manual, and the dock itself. Alright, let's take out the cords. Right here we have the HDMI. Set that aside. And we have the power cord. Why does it have to be a brick? And we have the instruction manual. I'm not going to read that. What's this thing? I think this is the Joy-Con grip. Yep, Joy-Con grip. And if I'm correct, these are the things for the Joy-Cons. Okay. Sorry, I thought the button was stuck for a second, but I was wrong. Here's the other one. I'll figure out which one's left or right later. And over on the right side, I believe we have the dock. Let me take this out. Hold on, give me 1 minute. And as you can see, we have the dock. So far, I think we have unboxed everything for the Nintendo Switch. Now let's unbox New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. Alright, I had to get something sharp like this thing to cut the plastic. Now it's time to rip it. Any more to rip? Oh, wait, right here. Alright, now, let's see the game itself. Yep, the game cartridges are pretty small. Now we got the game unboxed. Let's try to actually set up this thing. Okay, where's the power button? Right here. Oh, it's on. Let's go. Okay, let's put the Joy-Cons in. I believe we gotta put them like this. Oh, sorry about that. Let's put this one in here. I think they're tight. Alright. I'm gonna do this setup by myself, so I'll be right back. Alright, everybody. Can this camera focus? Come on, please. Focus. Alright, there we go. So I'm done with the setup for the Nintendo Switch, and now we're gonna try to hook it up to the TV. Let's get to it. Alright, I have the thing on HDMI 1. That's where the Switch dock is hooked. Let's put it in the TV for the first time. Alright, here we go. Hey, it works. If you guys want to know my friend code on Switch, here it is. Now, we're gonna put a game in, which is this one I got. Damn, it's so small. And no, I'm not gonna lick it. That's stupid. Alright, let's open this. I think this is how you put it in. And there we go. We got New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe on there. And now let's press A. Does this game need an update? I don't think so, huh? Stupid camera is all blurry. God damn it. Fucking focus. Here we have it, New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. I'm going to be playing this on my own. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. If you guys want more different content, make sure you comment down below what should I do. And make sure you leave a like. And subscribe. Hold on a second. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.